Save it for later. Nmap offers various arguments to save your scan result for a later on use. It starts from ON, which is nothing but a standard Nmap output. OX stands for XML format, which is useful for importing in other tools such as Metasploit or Nessus. Other tools also allows XML based format for the later or a post exploitation. Script kiddie is an experimental one because it just randomizes printable character. For example, I will be replaced with exclamation and T will be replaced with 7 and few others are. The argument for script kiddie is O capital S. OG stands for a grabbable format. When you wish to use other tools to grab a specific data from the returned output, you can use -og to put all the Nmap output in a grabbable format and save it in a file. OA will going to output in a 3 different formats. The first one is a default one, OG is for a grabbable, and OX is for XML based. Let's take it practically. I will be focusing on just a single port to save my time. Here I have used O capital A, which will going to save in a 3 different formats. The first one is a standard, grabbable, and the last one is XML. Here, scan result is complete. Let's check our files. Here, Gnmap is a grabbable Nmap, Nmap is a standard Nmap, and the third one is XML. The first one here, what you see, is a grabbable format. You can use other tools such as grep in order to find a specific text from the context of the specified file. The second result here is the default Nmap scan, which you see when you scan any of the port or ports. The third one is for the XML one. The XML data cannot be easily readable, but it is very good to convert in a CSV or utilize it with the other tools such as metasploit-framework or Nessus. Let's take an example how you can use your scan result with metasploit-framework. For that, you need first to initiate your database. If you don't initiate your database, this may be create a conflict and you might get an error saying that database not connected. Once you are done with that, you can boot up your MSF console. Using db_import, you can import your XML scan. The scan result has been imported successfully and you can see all the services that are available in your Nmap result by just typing services here. That we are aware that okay, target has port number 80 as open. The other what you see here is from the different machines that has been found earlier. But for our victim, we can also use other filters that we will going to understand or we will going to dig into when we will be in a Metasploit session. That's it for this. See you later.